Hi, we're Merrisa and Nick. Back in 2014, we started traveling part-time together and haven't looked back.
We're heading to the Grand Canyon.
When we're not filming music videos or documenting wedding days, you can find us on adventures across the globe.
Think of an attack?
I don't know. Oh! Oh my God! I'm screaming.
Okay!
Exploring new places, attending all of the music festivals, and documenting love stories around the world is what we do. Why keep that a secret? Welcome to I Just Want to Travel.
How do you feel right now?
Hi. Get back to me.
Get back to it.